So we have discussed about distance and displacement. Now we will go for the speed. Okay, this is a word that we use while traveling, right? The speed is increasing, the speed is reducing. What is meant by speed then? The fastness or slowness of an object is said to be speed. Yes or not? See, when we are in a traffic, we just move with low speed. Yes or not? When we are in high, when there is no traffic, the road is clear, we just increase our speed. Yes or not? So that means speed determines the fastness or the slowness of a moving body. So, and you can also say that this car is moving with speed of 100 kilometers per hour. This bike is moving with a speed of 80 kilometers per hour. This quantity 80 kilometers per hour, how we are getting that? Let us see. So speed is denoted by v. Okay, and speed is equal to distance by time. Distance by time is equal to speed. Remember, I am considering here distance, not displacement. So it is distance. The distance is denoted by s small s and t by small t. So v is equals to distance. V is equals to distance by time. This is the formula you need to remember from the. In the sums, if they ask distance, if they give distance, time, you can find speed, and if they give speed and time, you can even find the distance by the simplification. That we will discuss regarding the problems. And we are discussing about the problems, we will discuss at that time. And what is distance and time? What are the units? I have said that 30 kilometers per hour. So the distance by time is 30 kilometers. 30 kilometers per hour. Kilometers per hour. How we are getting? The distance is measured in kilometers in MKS system. Yes or not? We have got distance unit. And whatever time unit per hour. Yes or not? And in CGS system, it is denoted by meters per second. Okay, so speed is measured in kilometers per hour in MKS system and meters per second in CGS system. Okay, once again, speed, the fastness or slowness of the object is said to be speed. We can derive speed by distance and time, that is v is equals to s by t. Distance and time units are kilometers per hour and meters per second. So the units of speed are also kilometers per hour and meters per second in CGS and MKS system. Okay. Now we will come across types of speed. See, we will go over two types of speed, three types of speed. First thing is uniform, non-uniform. Next, instantaneous, and one more is variable. These are the four types of speed we normally come across: uniform speed, non-uniform speed, instantaneous, variable. For all this, you have a common diagram and a common table here. So I will explain to you. Let us consider a car is moving with a speed and in particular time. Now, this is a time taken by the car to travel, and its speed is, and its distance is here. Now, first at 0 seconds, the speed of the car is 100 meters. Sorry, 0 meters. At 5 seconds, the distance of the car is 50 meters. Next, at 10 seconds, the distance of the car is 100 meters. At 15 seconds, what will the distance, children? It will be 150 meters again. And at 20 seconds, what will be the distance? So it is 200 meters. You understand? This speed I have taken in the meters per second, CGS speeds. Okay. Are you able to understand now? I have taken a car moving with different speeds in different time. Okay. 0 seconds it has 0 because does not even started. Once it has started after 5 seconds, the distance is 50 meters. So how much it has increased? It has increased it to 50 meters. Yes or no? Again from 5 to 10 seconds, 5 seconds of time is consumed, and how much distance it has travelled from here to here? Again 50. Yes or no? From here to here, from 0 to 100 it is travelling 100 meters. From 50 to 100 how much distance it has travelled? 50 meters. In the same way, from 10 to 15, again more 15 meters. Again from 15 to 20, again more 50 meters. So we can say that the car is moving in a uniform speed, same speed. The speed is not increasing, the time has been increasing, and the speed is not increasing. Yes or not? 5 by seconds the speed is increasing, and for every 50 meters, the distance is increasing. So the distance and time, these are uniform, these are same. Yes or not? So we can say that the car is moving in a uniform speed. Got it? If time and distance both are increasing simultaneously, then we can say that uniform. Got it? Now, we will come across non-uniform. For example, let the starting and ending point be same. Okay? Starting point is 0 and ending point also be 0. For 5 seconds it has travelled to 30. Now it has travelled to 80. Now it has travelled to 140. So how much it has increased here? The time is same. For every 5 seconds it has been increasing. The last in the uniform speed situation, it is also for every 5 seconds it is increasing 50 meters. Now how much it is increasing? First 30, afterwards 50, afterwards how much from 80 to 140? 60, and here 60. Is it uniform? Is it uniform? Huh? 30, 50, 60, 60. It's not in uniform, right? That means for 5 seconds, first it took 30 meters distance. Afterwards it has traveled 50 meters. Afterwards 60 meters. Afterwards again 60 meters. And we don't know at 20 seconds what will be the situation. And it will be yes or not. So this type of distance speed is said. Speed is said to be as non-uniform speed. What is this? Time and distance will increase simultaneously, whereas they will not increase. Time and distance will vary. Okay, understood of uniform and non-uniform. Now, instantaneous speed. Instantaneous, name itself is instant, right at a particular time. See, when we are traveling, the speedometer will be there in the car, yes sir, and it shows our speed. The speed, the indicator where it shows at the particular second or particular time, that is called as instantaneous speed. Got it? For example, when you are traveling now, at that moment I want to know my speed. If I see the speedometer, I can get my instantaneous speed. Okay? Understood? Instantaneous speed means the speed traveling by a vehicle at the particular time. So knowing speed, by seeing in a speedometer, we can get this instantaneous speed. Okay? And variable is also same as non-uniform. Here I have taken for every 5 seconds. Here it will take for every 3 seconds, 10 seconds, 13 seconds, and 20 seconds. Like this time also will be where we don't know at what moment the particle will be changing according to the time and distance. The body will be changing. The body will be changing according to its own time. It will be having its own distances. Got it? So these are the 4 types of speed: uniform speed, non-uniform speed, instant speed, and variable speed. Now we will come across. See, I have considered here distance. What about displacement? Yes or not? Just now I said speed is equal to distance by time. What about displacement? Where that it will go then? I will say that one also. What is the value? Now, this is speed. No? If we take in place of distance, if displacement, is it also called as speed? Is it also called as speed? What is called as? It is called as velocity.